Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're tired of CapCut PC updating automatically and messing with your editing workflow, this video is just for you. Today you'll learn how to stop CapCut from updating on your Windows PC, no advanced tech skills needed. CapCut's automatic updates can bring surprises, sometimes removing features and even hiding them behind paywalls. Taking control lets you choose when and if you want to update. Let's jump right into the steps. Step 1. Prepare CapCut and File Explorer. Make sure CapCut is closed completely. Open File Explorer and go to your user folder, usually C:\users\your name. If you don't see the AppData folder, click on View at the top and check Hidden Items. Now head to AppData/local/CapCut/userdata/download. Step 2. Create a fake update file. Inside the download folder, right-click and choose New, then Text Document. Name the file exactly update.exe, all lowercase it. If file extensions are hidden, make them visible by clicking View and enabling file name extensions. Once renamed, right-click update.exe and click on Properties. Tick the Read Only box, then click on Apply and OK. This tricks CapCut into thinking it's already updating, so it won't download new updates automatically. Step 3. Repeat for extra protection inside the CapCut directory. If auto updates slip through, repeat the same steps in the Apps folder inside the CapCut directory. More fake update.exe files can improve your chances of blocking automatic updates for good. And that's it. Now you have full control over CapCut updates and can edit in peace. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share it with fellow editors. For any questions or if you get stuck, drop a comment. I'm here to help. Happy editing, and see you in the next video.